Yo, what's going on? It's the number one Rasbooks in the building. One time for the one time, can't cool, can't quench. Hey man, we here, we on the road. Well, actually I lied, we had a rest stop. But we heading down to New York City for this track meet this weekend, tomorrow. We there. We are hour and a half out from New York, from upstate. So we are in Pennsylvania. Don't ask me what town, Gibson or something. I think I see a sign back there, say Gibson. But yeah man, this morning it was snowing. It was 1 degree and the wind chill was -4. Yes, oh my gosh, it was bad. That got bad. But yeah man, it's all good. So we're gonna get some jumps in this weekend. That should be great. My teammate Brian Slaterville, man, gonna be running. My other partner Bruno from Spain, he gonna be running. So yeah man, we're gonna definitely keep eye up in tune. So the next time I hear from y'all is when we enter into the city. Yo, this Books just came to New York. We down here in outside of Chinatown or someplace. Hey, outside brick bad. This man cold and I freezing. And this man he good. He always sweatpants and thing. He don't feel any kind of thing like that. So you about to check into the spot now. Ah man. Hey, out here cold, you know. I'll talk to you in a little bit. Let me go check in and get all that stuff done. Yo. So, yeah, earlier I contact. It was too cold. Ah man. So, we about to go grab some food at this place called something burger. The black bean burger. What's it called? The burger shop. Yeah, so we're going to the burger shop. They're supposed to have some of the best burgers over here in this neighborhood. I forget what the neighborhood is again. So I'm gonna let y'all know what's going on. We in NYC, y'all. That's how we do, representing one time for the one time for sure. Oh, it's called a Black Iron Burger. Black Iron Burger, BIB. So yeah, we're going in there and we're gonna let y'all know it's good. Alright, Black Iron Burger. We in there. Y'all want to see the burgers, right? I'm gonna show y'all. It's real. It's going down in New York City, man. Hey, it's like after 6 now. Oh yeah, they're not going down. Nice. Cool little vibe in here too. My burger got avocado on it. That's what you call pear. Most people don't know that, but it's called pear. Oh yes, let me adjust this stand. Another spots to each one. Oh snaps. Yeah, now I got big burger. Hey, you seen the aftermath? That there? That was some good stuff. I recommend anybody when they get in the city, look up Black Iron Burger. Black Iron Burger. Black Iron Burger. You need one and done. Oh yeah. Yo, you don't know Mr. One Time for the one time in the building. Can't cool, can't quench. So, we're here now. Getting ready to hit up the meat on them heck. You know, you gotta be fresh, okay? Yeah. So yeah, you gotta be smelling nice for the woman, them, you check. When you talk to the girl, them, you wanna be nice, and they gonna say, you smells good, man. You know, the Axe commercials, they wanna be touching up on you. Yeah, I like that kind of feeling. So woman, today, when you smell me, you can say, oh yes, Books, you smell nice. Well yeah, man, we getting here ready to head out to the meet. It's still early, but you know you gotta wake up early. Get your body moving on them heck. I know outside cold bad. I know it's cold outside. I ain't never wanna. But yeah, so the meet in Staten Island is called Fast Track Invite, Invitational. At Ocean Breeze. They got a new facility down there. Ah man, last night in New York City, fall asleep. Yeah, that ride took a lot out of me, man. I didn't know I was so tired, so fortunately we didn't get to go around and see the city how we wanted to see it. But I did find out we did in East Village, so I didn't know where it was at. Now I know. So it was in East Village, so yeah. We here, just get out there the tunnel, about to go to Staten Island. As you can see, there's a lot of traffic behind me. But you know, that's New York City. It's traffic all the time. That's just part of the place. So it was cool, man. Oh, that's Brooklyn over there. Yeah, I can see it. Cousin, shout out Brooklyn, Flatbush. You know what I'm saying? People's out there representing the thing, you don't know. Antigua, what that list that. But yeah, man, so coming up to Staten Island now, about to bust up this track meet, how we to do, you know what to do. Yo, Staten Island, what going on? I hope here Ocean Breeze Fishing Pier. So I look at everything. This is before we go in the track. Wait on these men to use the bathroom. These men always gotta use the bathroom when we go someplace. Oh, that's the Staten Island bridge right there, so. That's Brooklyn over there. And that is something, oh, that's Jersey. Yeah, that's Jersey. Yo. So we're finishing up the meet. About to go back to Ithaca, New York right now. Once again, today was a great day. Amazing day. Good jumping, good running. You know what I mean? Thank you guys for staying tuned. And that's all we're to do. We got 2 more days and we back on the road again. 2 more days. Oh, it rained. Hold on, snow. Damn, man. 2 more days and we back. So we're gonna do it again. When we come back in 2 days, we're gonna go from full approach, and we should be right around World Indoors standards right there. So yeah. So that's what we're gonna do. Yeah, man, big up to my boy Bruno out there. 664 in the building, representing for Spain. You know what I mean? Hey, The man will move in there, man. Let me tell you something. That's the fastest white boy may ever see now. Well, Spanish man, fastest Spanish man may ever see. So, that man they were flying. So, hey man, about to hit up this drive and again it's snowing. Oh my gosh. So, it's snowing, it's all good. We got 4-hour drive in front of us. We gonna do what we do. Rest over the weekend. And we back on it again. Yo, you don't know. Subscribe to the man Rasbookie on the building. Like it. One time for the one time. And share it. Haha, can't cool, can't quench. Let me say right now one time and then the people them right now so say, big up! Haha. Make sure you got to subscribe. Make sure you like it. Make sure you share it. Whatever you do, just keep me in tune. Cause I'll keep you in tune. Haha.